Hey guys, how are you? Today, we are talking about 5 highest dangerous bird in the world. If you got some knowledge from my video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Eagle. Eagle was a dangerous bird. Let's talk about their habits. Number 1. Eagle hunts small animals with sharp claws. Number 2. Eagle builds nests on high cliffs or tall trees. Owl. Number 1. Owl hunts mostly at night. Number 2. Owl uses silent flight to catch prey secretly. Vulture. Number 1. Vulture eats dead animals for food. Number 2. Vulture flies high in circles to search for prey. Cassowary. Number 1. Cassowary uses strong legs to attack when threatened. Number 2. Cassowary lives alone in dense forests. Falcon. Number 1. Falcon flies at very high speed while hunting. Number 2. Falcon catches birds in midair with sharp talons.